Hi friends, this is Team 10. This is a new model automatic fish feeder. Prototype. This is prototype. Total discuss with friends.
Automatic fish feeder is made with the Arduino, which we have inserted code in it. So the code is explained here. So every 10 seconds we have kept it for the rotation of this servo motor, and after every one rotation it is playing the buzzer, which means that one rotation is done and now it is empty. According to the code we can change, according to the need we can change the code, which is for every 5 revolution. If it is getting empty, we can change it to every 5 seconds the buzzer will, every 5 rotations the buzzer will ring, or else we can change the code according to the number of fishes included in the aquarium. If there are more fishes, we can continuously decrease the time for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And if there are less fishes, we can change the time for the rotation of this for like 12 hours, 18 hours or 24 hours once.
So now I am going to explain about the connections of our prototype, and here there is connections of our prototype. This red wire is connected to the servo motor, so it can give the power supply for the servo motor so that it can run the container and revolve it. So here are the two black wires connecting each for the ground, and so that our device is protected. And this is connected to 5 voltage, and this is the white wire connecting to the sensor sound buzzer, and this is for function of the servo motors, and this is for the function of the buzzer. White color is for function of the buzzer.
And it is very obvious that there are existing solutions in it. We have found some of the gaps in that existing solution. First thing is there is no indication about the food available, and next thing is needs to be charged very frequently for that. As we have used Arduino in this, it is very budget friendly. But in the previous models, the budget is slightly higher than compared to this, and the amount of food which is feeded, and the user will not know about it. But in the previous models, there is a case of overfeeding and underfeeding.
So for projects it is budget friendly. We can feed the fishes when we are not available, and also we have the option to refill the feed.
It is about project objective is to provide regular and accurate feeding for the fish without overfeeding or underfeeding it, so that fishes don't have any problem of overfeeding or underfeeding, and there is no chance to die. And existing solution, there are some existing solutions for this project. Those are any programmable fish feeder, Zactor rechargeable automatic fish feeder. Ours is not, we can supply power, so it cannot be again and again rechargeable. So it is our advantage of our project. And there is no mode of rechargeable fish feeder. This is also a rechargeable fish feeder, but ours can work with the power supply continuously. And these are the user requirements for our project. We use Arduino UNO RT, servo motor, a buzzer, jumper wires, and a fish bowl.
So these are the user requirements. We are using an Arduino, servo motor, buzzer, jumper wires and fish bowl. And also we will use a cardboard for the covering of the fish bowl. So what are the issues basically? The basic issues are because of overfeeding, there are deaths in the fishes, and people take care of their fishes, so they are continuously pouring it, and hence resulting into overfeeding. And the of our project is we are using an Arduino, which is the basic device to convert software into hardware. We are using a code to convert the software input into a hardware using the Arduino, which is connected to a servo motor. The servo motor rotates every 10 seconds for now as an output and feeds the fish. And after every single rotation of the servo, a buzzer rings after every time the container needs to be refilled. It means it is empty and we have to refill it. This is the modification we have done in our prototype, then comparing to the previous prototype. So we are using jumper wires to connect the servo motor and also to connect the buzzer. And the code is implemented using the Arduino app, which is the basic app used everywhere to convert the software into hardware.